Hey, how you doing, friends? To stay, well, thank you for being with me today. I want to record part of this back test that I'm doing for the gold. Pretty much, I want to start this back test on 2020, the first month, which is January, and I want to record part of it. And I'll probably do a few parts of it, but to test our strategy, pretty much. Okay, so we're gonna start right away with our back testing. Normally, I monitor my trades in between the 1 hour time frame and the 4 hour time frame. So we're right here. I'm using Trading View. The Trading View has this very nice feature where you can go back and back test in real time. So we're gonna start doing that. So number one, we're gonna establish our rules. I got the 50, got the two smaller EMAs. But normally, as a general rule, if the price is above the 50, normally we're going to look for buys. Every time the price is below the 50, we're going to look for sells. So that's rule number one. Then we are going to do a few techniques. When we're going to look for entries, we're going to lower to the 15-minute time frame so we can have a closer and sniper entries into the market. I use trend lines, so we look for break of trend lines also, and we used a Fibonacci. I like to go with the trend, so we look for retracements, especially if you go all the way to the in between 50% and 61.8 retracement. We look for entries in that area. If the market doesn't give an entry in that area, then we follow the market to see if it's going to break the previous low, and then the bias for as far as trend, it might change. So all depends. It depends on a few factors. So let's get it going. What I'm looking right now, I'm gonna make this price a little bit bigger. We are looking for breaks of a structure. Okay. For example, let me put an example right here. Let's say that was the smaller consolidations right here, but if I put a line, you can clearly see the break of the structure right there, and that's an impulse, and then that normally creates a retracement. So that move can be fib at that point. Make it bigger. And in this case, it's very easy to see, right? Because we can see that already went up, so that was a winner trade. Normally we go to the previous top or to the 0.25 extension, and over. And if that happens, we do the same thing again right here. There would be the next break. It was this one right here, but then the price went lower than this low. At that time, I start with my suspicion because this can change the trend at this point. It can easily go and then break this low. If it breaks this low after this move, that means that it's probably going to continue lower. In this case, it just came down and then started going up again. And now let's see where we are right now. Pretty much the last top, it was right there, and I put it right in the money, and it haven't been broken yet, so we're gonna leave it there. And the last low is this one right here, so we can also put a mark right there. Okay, and we're gonna start playing the market and see what we get. Okay, so we see that the market is disrespecting that ceiling or that resistance, and boom, the market breaks. Okay, and what I'm gonna wait for now, I'm gonna wait for a significant retracement. If I see the market starts retracing, I'm gonna put my Fibo right there, my Fibonacci. Let me play a couple more. Okay, I don't see a retracement. Let me keep going. Okay, what is this? Not okay. Okay, I see a retracement there. Okay, I can probably, if that looks significant against this move right here. So I can put my Fibonacci right there. And I'm gonna make this, let me go to 30 minutes so we can see in the bigger picture. Okay. So now I'm waiting for this retracement to go to the 50, which is already peaked right there. But I don't go into the market until I see a cross of this smaller EMAs in our way up. Okay, so either that I see that it's in the area already. Normally I mark those areas like this, so it's a more visual representation. Normally that I use the green for that. Okay, so we're gonna play the market to see what it does. It goes up and then it goes down again. It was a big, that's why it's very important to wait and be very patient and don't just go into the market, because you can have big candles like this. Okay, so the red is below now, so I'm gonna wait to have a red above the blue to go into the market. Okay, and we don't have it yet, although that was a big candle right there. So that could be probably news or something like that, but I wouldn't go into the market yet. Okay, market's consolidating at that point, just going sideways. Okay, until I don't see a clear cross and like normal size candles going our way up, that's when I go into the market pretty much. Still going lower. Okay, had a big market now. Okay, and that looks better right there, so I'm still waiting for that cross. And I think I have red over blue at that point. Okay, that is my entrance right there. So what I'm gonna do, Trading View has this long position marker right there. And what I want to do, it's to go minimum here, but I can go all the way to the, normally I like to put two targets, 23 and also 0 right there. And my stop loss, I like to put it normally below the 88% right there, so I can give the market just a chance to breathe. Okay, so let's get it going. Market's consolidating, still going sideways. We went in our favor, now it's against. One second. Hold on, let me go to 30 minutes again. Okay, boom. And it's in our favor now, and boom. The market went into a favor, okay? So it went actually all, this will be my third take profit, the 25.0. That point, so 3 take profits. How many pips was that trade? Pretty much went through here all the way to up here, so that's like 771 pips in the gold. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, so that's one trade right there. Let's look for another one. Okay, I just gonna do 2 trades in backtest. I'm gonna erase everything so we can start from 0, but we're gonna leave the market where it is. So what happened now? We have a big retracement Okay, and we have a breakup structure right here in the minor. We also have a bigger breakup structure right there. Okay, so if I would have to fib this move, I will start it maybe from this point right there. But my next step is to wait for a significant retracement at that point. Let's wait for it. I wouldn't count that for significant. Okay, now I will count that for significant. So now it's time to put our fibs right there. Okay, and we are gonna wait for the market right there. See if it touches our special area right there, 5061.8, which it did. Okay, but remember our rule. I gotta wait for a cross of the smaller two EMAs. For that, I forgot in the other one, but I can go to the 50-minute at this point. Okay, then let me play the market. Okay, I got red below. I got red below. It's not very clear. I think I got red above right there. I think in the previous one was the entry right there. So let's see. I think I would have took the entry right there. If I make this bigger, yeah, red is above the blue and above the 50 in the area. So let's take that trade. Let's see how it goes. I would take that at the close of this right there. So I'm gonna put it right there. I'm gonna try to go to the 0, and normally like to put it. I gotta put it right here now. Okay, but that's not good risk to reward. So I'll put it below this area. Let's see how that goes. Okay, anyways, we were in profit already right there. Let me keep going. Okay. It's going, and boom. Okay. So you can see that now we have two trades. So let me mark in the gold. That's 454 pips on the gold. Now, what I was gonna say. So that's two trades now. We had 700, the other one 400, this one, so like 1,100 pips. Very good two trades. Let me get rid of everything. So what happened now? What happened if I try to read my market structure? We have major structure right there that it was broken. And I can put it right there. I'll put it right there. Definitely broken to the top. We got this retracement, it was broken. So the origin of this move is right there. So I can definitely fib this area over here. Okay, so, but let's keep going. I need to see a significant retracement before anything. Wow, look at that trade. Okay, we're consolidating sideways. When we have something like that, also another technique, sometimes it doesn't retrace too much. This is like another advanced technique where you can trade the box pretty much in consolidations. You can see that it breaks real clear to the top. Now the next step is to wait for a retracement. Okay. Okay, that's good. That's a good retest. But the only goal for me to go there, yeah, obviously I could have gone in the market right there, pretty much exactly right there. When this one end up, because that was a clear retest of the box, and you know you had some pips right there. Okay, so that's another trade. So this is another way. Sometimes the market is not going to retrace too much, but if you see that the market is just going sideways, you draw yourself a box in that correction. Wait until it breaks. Don't go into the market until it retests into the box and into the 2MAs also. And everything's going up. So you're going up. And let's see how far we go with this one. Okay. Normally I don't get out until I see kind of the red started crossing down on the blue. So let's go and see how far we can go. And when that one crosses below, I normally will put my I will stop it. If the next bar crosses below here, I will definitely stop it right there. Or a lot of people, they just get out at that point, pretty much. So let's say we got out at that point, so we enter here. That's another 800 pips. So that's three trades. Okay, and this is pure price action. This is not like indicators. All I'm following is the trend, my Fibonacci strategy, and my box strategy. Okay, so let's keep going. So we break this structure, came up, retest the structure. We broke this one now, so we can fib this move definitely because I have a significant retracement. Let's see if this continue. Yeah, we can fib that area right there, which is a small fib from here to here. So the market, it's already in the area. But remember our rules. I need to have a red crossing the blue in our way up. Until then, I won't go into the markets. Okay, what do we got now? Okay, we don't have it yet. We don't have it yet. And it's crossing right there. So I would definitely go into the market right here. On top of this area right there. Okay, so let me put a long. Okay, that is normally 1-to-1 risk reward. I'm gonna go for it. Okay, I'm gonna go for it. See if we can get it. Let's do it. They almost got us out. We are in profit right now. Ooh, I was earning right there. Real good right there. Okay, so there he goes. Let me measure this and then we're going to be done. Okay, so from here to here, 400 pips. So that was 4 trades. I think 3 or 4 trades. More than 1,500 pips on the gold. So it is possible to trade this. It's a win. It's a win strategy. Please subscribe to the channel. Please, if you can put some comments or ask questions, and I'll definitely answer your questions. And we'll keep doing. We're going to be testing different pairs also. Maybe next week, so I'll do another video for back testing. Thank you very much.